Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be teaching you about how to make fermented onions at home. It is a very simple recipe. All you need is a few onions, a glass jar and some table salt. Now cut the onion into thin slices and you can spread these slices apart. Once you are done cutting, you can fill this in the glass jar. Make sure that the glass jar is full with onions. To this, you can add 2 tablespoons of salt. Add some water to this glass jar. Now, take any plastic wrapper and put it on the glass jar, making sure that no air goes into it. After this, you can close the lid tightly. Leave this mixture for 7 days to ferment. After 7 days, you can open the glass jar, taste the onions, and if you would like it more sour, you can leave it for a couple of days more. Once it is done fermenting, you can have this in your everyday meals. Fermented onion is a very good probiotic. Onions are rich in quercetin and it is anti-inflammatory and antiviral in nature. It is a cardio and neuroprotector. People suffering from hypergastritis and severe conditions of ulcer can better avoid this. I hope you have enjoyed our little video and you would enjoy making fermented onions at home.
Hello friends, it's high times to realize that food is the most forgotten medicines. A healthy diet can do wonders to your body. Hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you soon with a new video.